in Singapore. The time now is 9:43 AM. Today I'm going to visit the open house of an upcoming new line, the Thomson-East Coast Line, which will be opening on the 31st of January. Today they hold a special preview session so that people could get a taste before its official opening, and of course the ride is free. This is the streetscapes of Singapore. While many journals and city making publications always refer Singapore as having one of the best public transport system in the world, but they are not just doing it by just building subway system, metro systems and all these expensive projects, but it also comes to walkability. Here there's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lane road, and you got a pelican crossing, which is rather rare in other countries, and frequent buses. The buses in Singapore has been regarded as the world best in efficiencies. Of course, it comes only to the efficiency part. It's not making money and it costs a lot of loss. So today we're going to take the East-West line and transfer to North-South line towards Woodlands station, where the events is happening. I'm going to change to North-South line towards Woodlands. This is the train I'm on earlier. Bye bye. It was all standing for like, I don't know, maybe 30 minutes. That's what you get when you are on the train in the middle of the line and it's on the city. So let's hope I get a seat in this line. Finally, a seat. just over an hour, and right now is 11, and we are now at Woodlands Thomson-East Coast Line station. This is a brand new station as you can see. It incorporates the latest design in the LTA infrastructure. So let's check it out.
As well, you can be young and hot, still have a great time. Like this little guy who is smiling so big. I love his smile. Look at that, so happy. You look like a very, very, I like a shirt. Just happy girl.
With the opening of Thomson-East Coast Line, the LTA also take this opportunity to roll out the numbering exit system. In the previous system, it actually lay out as the alphabet A, B, C, D, E as an exit. But with this exit, you get to the directory of the exit, you get the exit information, the text, the location of the exit, and also you get this little bus stops code. This is the universal bus code stop of all the stops in Singapore. So you can actually decide on which exit to go on for your bus stops. After exploring the ticket hall, let's go and on to Woodlands South, which is our next stop. The ticket gates is fairly similar to those in downtown line, but with a different color. It is a brand shiny new station. I'm at the platform level of the Woodlands Station Thomson-East Coast Line. It is a very wide station platform, as it will be a major interchange right here in Woodlands. So it is essential to have a very wide platform.
Please do not lean against the train doors. Next station, Woodlands South, Woodlands. This train service will end at Woodlands South.
And we are now at the terminal station of Woodlands North. Same with Woodlands Station. The platform is pretty wide because this will be the future RTS that links from Woodlands North Station to Bukit Jaga in Johor Bahru in Malaysia. There's 4 escalators on one side of the platform, and the other side there's 2 escalators up and down. This is certainly something very impressive. Just look at the roof, guys. It looks like how I does not know how to describe it, but it is beautiful. This is a assisted service kiosk, something new from TransitLink. So let's put I'll just try to top up 10. So the next thing I do is like press the contact center to demonstrate, right?
I mean, you can try it.
Yeah.
Yeah, just try it.
Just press the hat.
Oh, okay. Contact center and proceed to call. So I'll just have my MasterCard ready. This is interesting.
Morning, my name is Kaki.
Hi. You're now on a video. It will be on YouTube. So I will do a demonstration. I was understand that this function, this kiosk will do help, like for example, elderly that doesn't know how to operate the machine to top up the things, right? So can you do me a favor or adding $10 to my EasyLink?
Sure. May I have your permission to take over the control then?
Yes, please.
Thank you, sir.
I'll go ahead and select. And would you like to top up $10 from credits or that next payment?
I'll have credit cards, please.
Credit cards, yeah?
Yeah.
$10.
So, right, so this part that you can't do for me, right? So I have to do it myself. So I have my MasterCard here, so I can just tap on it, right? So let's see. So, okay, this is very interesting. Thank you for your demonstration.
Would you like to have a receipt, sir?
Oh, okay, you can do that too. Right, thank you. I would like my receipt, please. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day.
You too. Have a great day ahead. Is there anything else can I assist you, sir?
Yeah, that's it.
Have a great day ahead.
Thank you. Bye-bye. There is not all jolly about all these news stations, but of course when you take public transport, you're gonna wear out a lot quicker, you're gonna expose to the heat a lot more, you walk a lot more. It's healthy, but also of course in a tropical country like Singapore, you also lose liquid a lot faster, and this is literally the water I have. And if I ran out of water from my water bottles, I'm gonna look for somewhere to fill it up for my bottle. But not in any of the stations that I see in Singapore, including the new stations, has a water fountain for my water bottles. Of course, if we look at it, Singapore is very convenient. You can buy a lots of water from the convenience store, 7-Elevens is everywhere. But let's face it, that kind of consumption create plastics waste. This is something that we as a global community needs to tackle very seriously. That's why if LTA, if you are seeing this video, please introduce water fountains for the people who refill on their bottles. This is the best way to tackle global waste. Of course, public transport is one way to tackle climate change, but these two. That is the review of the Thomson-East Coast Line. If you like this video, please do share, like and subscribe. See ya.